What's up, Dallas County? This is Aaron Clough with Coldwell Banker here for your weekly Dallas County housing market update. And the name of the game this week is price decreases. Now, we did see a ton of deals closed, still almost back to that 1,200 unit or 1,200 home count between closed and things progressing to pending. So those deals are getting completed, but we saw in the past 7 days, 690 new units hit the market between all different types of residential real estate, as well as saw, let me check the numbers real quick, 430 price decreases. 430. So, did a video about Rockwall County, but the crazy thing about Dallas County is a lot of these homes are in fact existing homes. These are not new construction homes. So these are homes that have, for one reason or another, not been able to capture an offer and have lowered the price to compete. And a lot of that necessarily doesn't speak to the quality of the houses or the area. I think that, or from having conversations, buyer sentiments have just changed. Not that people don't want houses, not that people don't need houses, not that people don't need to move and start that new chapter, but buyers are being a lot more choosy now, knowing that the cost of debt has gone up substantially over the past year, as well as outside economic factors that we've talked about in previous videos, like inflation, uncertainty, the big scary R word that starts to get thrown around, and it's been continued to be thrown around. And so all of those things, whether that's from mania or based in fact, changes people's sentiment about the housing market. Now, what does that mean for someone that's looking to buy or sell in Dallas County? For sellers, I would say that it changes what you need to do and make sure that you have your listing buttoned up before going to market. 12 months ago, you could very easily throw a couple iPhone pictures up there, throw it on the market, hold a couple open houses and capture a contract in the first weekend. Now it's going back to more of a market where it does matter who you partner with. Homes do not just sell themselves, and we've got 430 examples of that this week alone. So that means that when you're marketing the property, staging the property, preparing to take it to market, that you need to make sure that you're putting your best foot forward there. We have programs here in our brokerage that helps us outperform the market. Would love to talk to you about what that looks like there. But on the other side of that, the encouraging thing is for those home sellers that are not moving out of state or selling it and renouncing all their worldly possessions and moving to the forest, is that you're selling, still capturing and taking advantage of the appreciation that we've seen over these past couple years, but you're buying into a less competitive market. So there's no doubt that debt is more expensive now. Interest rates have gone up, but the Fed is committed to raising those rates over the next 6, 12, 18, and for the foreseeable future months, as they said and Chairman Powell said in his speech at the last Fed meeting. So what does that mean for the buyers? It means that those home prices don't necessarily go down. As interest rates go up, that does not decrease the value of homes. It just means that the steady flow of offers, the big 10, 15, 20 offers per property probably go down. Now, Dallas County, we have seen things go under contract still in a short number of days. So we're still not saying that it's swung completely to a buyer's market. It's just softening and getting easier. So as you're looking to buy into these markets, buyers are being more choosy. You're still going to have distilled offers down. So instead of 20 offers ranging the spectrum from terrible to great, more than likely you're going to see 3 to 5, maybe 1 or 2 other ones, but they are strong quality offers at or above asking price, very few contingencies, still a lot of strong dynamics in the favor of sellers. But that being said, as prices go down and as sellers maybe start to panic or get worried about what their house is going to sell for, they may be willing to be more accommodating and to help those buyers out. And so you love to hear that if you're someone that's going from renting to buying, or you're relocating here in Dallas-Fort Worth. That's a great thing to be buying into. Also, as sellers, you're still taking advantage of buying into a market, still selling at the top of the market or selling at a high end of the market. We won't call this the top of the market yet, but you're also buying into a less competitive market there. And so I know the interest rates have had a lot of factors, or played a big part in what these offer dynamics look like in the market dynamics. You've heard me talk about them over the past couple weeks. But what I will say about that is that as interest rates go up, and knowing they're going to continue to go up for the foreseeable future, does not correlate to prices going down. I've said that once, twice, 5, 10, 100 times. So that same house that is $450,000, $550,000, $650,000, $1 million right now, just if interest rates creep up into the 7s or 8s, we may see demand wean from that or fall off, but it won't necessarily affect the value of the homes themselves. And so if you're trying to catch that balancing act or catch those falling knives of, well, interest rates are going up, so then I'll just buy it when the property is cheaper, don't expect that to happen. We won't see 20% year-over-year growth in home values, but we will still see appreciation the way things are heading now. So moral of the story as buyers is I would encourage you to put plans in place, take action to look and see what's viable for you, and don't swing it on any ugly pitches. You don't have to buy something just to buy something, but those home values are not projected to go down substantially or at all over the next 6 to 12 months, and interest rates are only going to rise. And so the same house may be 500 today, maybe 525 6 months from now, but your interest rate may be up in the 7s. And so putting a plan in place, taking action, those people will be rewarded. And so we'd love to help you out with all things real estate in Dallas County, whether that's buying, selling, investing, doing everything from single family homes to duplexes, multifamily, even commercial and land deals, if that is what you're looking for. So for all things real estate in Dallas County and DFW, we would love to be the team and the resource for you. So y'all be good. Y'all be blessed. Have a great week, and we'll talk to you soon.